Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at conjoined twins.
Conjoined twins form when a fertilized egg doesn't fully split into two babies. Therefore, the twins stay physically connected.
Sometimes by the head, sometimes by the chest, sometimes by the abdomen, sometimes by the pelvis.
Is that normal?
And it's not normal, but there are many things that are abnormal in medicine. And we learn how to deal with them. It's very uncommon. It occurs in about 1 in every 50,000 to 1 in every 200,000 pregnancies. It's said to be more common in the Middle East and in Asia, but we see it here from time to time.
The most common complications in conjoined twin pregnancies are miscarriage or stillbirth. Premature labor is also very common, and being born early increases the risk of health problems. These risks can make caring for conjoined twins even more complex, a situation that the University Hospital of the West Indies encounters from time to time.
They were connected at the chest and at the heart, and also at the abdomen. But when the babies were born, the baby who had the heart lesion, it was not compatible with life. And unfortunately, that baby died. And while we were awaiting the process, we had to consult ethics, legal, family, and others, and surgeons and so on. The parents felt that they didn't want to go through, so we lost those babies.
Conjoined twins are often detected during an ultrasound. In some cases, they can undergo surgery to be separated, while others remain connected for life.
I don't think we can prevent it. As I said, many pregnancies do not come to term, because what the babies have may be sometimes incompatible with life. And sometimes they're born and,
Do we know the cause of this?
It's congenital. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. How are these babies doing now? Can you just give us an update?
They're doing very well.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.